The other day, there was a friend of mine in Minnesota whose Siberian Huskies, who can withstand like 60 below temperatures, wanted to come into the house. They were that cold there. They're like, no, we're not doing this.
Well, and some people, their dogs will not wear those booties. So I had some friends from Chicago posting video of their dogs outside saying, don't yell at me because they don't have their booties on. It's just in and out, and they won't wear the booties.
Like
so I wanted to mention real quick, because of the cold, a really cool phenomenon. I don't know if you have heard of it, called frost quakes. Those were happening in Chicago. It just got so cold so quickly. Deep freeze, temperatures dropped, so the ground and the soil, it burst basically. So instead of expanding, there was a burst. So across Chicago, people were hearing what they thought were gunshots or earthquakes, but no, it was these frost quakes or cryoseisms that was happening just because it was so cold. These are your temperatures right now across the country. Chicago's still at -5. Minneapolis, Eric's hometown here, -9, or where he worked. These temperatures are going to change. We're going to thaw out finally from that polar vortex. Some areas are going to see about a 60-degree change. This is crazy. So if you guys are transients here in the area, or if you're going to be traveling out for the weekend like I am, in fact, tomorrow, by Saturday, 8:30 in the morning, Chicago's at 36 degrees. So we've got a huge jump in those temperatures. Good change for our friends in the Midwest and towards the east. Here in San Diego, well, we've got 3 storm systems that we are tracking. One is going to hit today. We've got those cloudy skies. It's already windy out there. We may be seeing some pre-showers outside, just a little bit of drizzle, but that rain's a-coming. 62 degrees, all clouds out there, winds out of the south-southeast at about 11 miles an hour. Satellite radar, you can see the bulk of the rain concentrated to the north of us, but this is a fast-moving system, so it is going to make its way towards us, and the peak of that is going to be about 2 o'clock this afternoon through your evening rush. So I'm sorry, you're going to have a heck of a time trying to drive. We are under that beach hazards statement, noon until 7 o'clock, and that's because we have a potential for some lightning. We also have a flash flood warning or advisory for the northern parts of the county as well. That one just hit. Atmospheric moisture, we've got that atmospheric river heading our way, which is going to bring in a lot of moisture today. We can see about ½ an inch up to an inch of rain today. We're following a couple low pressure troughs as well. So you can see Saturday at about 5 o'clock, that low pressure system making its way towards San Diego, which means we've got another bout of rain. That is our second storm system that we are following, and it's going to be worse than today. So today we're going to see a decent amount of rain. Saturday, pretty much really late Friday into Saturday, the bulk of the day is going to be a washout. Another low pressure system making its way towards us. That trough going to hit on Monday. So Monday we're going to have even cooler temperatures, more wind, and a potential for some rain as well. Microclimate forecast at the coast, 64 degrees with a low of 54. We've got the rain a-coming. Some areas may be seeing some drizzle, but it's on the way. 2 p.m. is going to peak, and again through that evening time. Tomorrow, 62 degrees with a low of 58, and then more rain on Saturday with a low of 63. Monday, we're going to see a cool down as well. Inland, 65 with a low of 46. At the mountain communities, 58 degrees, a low of 39. Dips down just slightly tomorrow, 55 with a low of 44. Desert, 71. And a low of 50.